Hi and welcome to another fat weight loss recipe video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best keto lemon curd you have ever tasted. Let's get started. If you're new around here, I do keto recipes, keto information, experiments on myself, and keto fitness and nutrition guides. If this sounds fantastic to you, please consider subscribing below. Okay, so there were two ways to make keto lemon curd. There is one way where you use a double boiler, and there is the second way, which is much easier. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that today. So first up, I want you to get a large bowl, and I want you to get 4 lemons and zest the outside of the lemon straight into that bowl. Then what I want you to do is I want you to grab those 4 lemons, slice them in half, and juice them slowly and pour all of that zesty lemon juice straight in with the lemon zest. Then I want you to grab half a cup of erythritol. This is going to help balance out the acidity from the lemons. So put that straight into the bowl, and then I want you to grab 100 grams of butter. You're going to cut the butter up and place that in the bowl with the lemon juice and the erythritol. Then you're going to put that into a saucepan, and you're going to turn your saucepan on very low. I cannot stress this enough, it needs to be very low, and you are going to just slightly melt that butter. So the next part you have to do pretty quickly. You're going to grab 3 eggs and 1 egg yolk, and you're going to crack them into a bowl and just whisk them gently. Then I want you to grab the melted butter, the lemon juice, and the erythritol and slowly pour that in while you whisk the eggs together. Then you are going to put that mixture back into the pot, and you're going to put it on the stove on very, very low, and you're going to watch it whilst you stir it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the mixture coats the back of the spoon, it's ready. It's so delicious, and all you have to do is store that somehow. So I like storing it in little glass jars, and you can cover that in the fridge and use it whenever you like. Lemon curd is super versatile, and it's so great to use on anything like tarts, cakes, muffins, cupcakes, and even bread. It's so delicious, you are going to want to make it right now. And if you don't go and make it right now, it means I've done something wrong. So don't let me down. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time and effort. I make recipe videos like this every single week, so if you're interested in seeing a few more, then hit subscribe below.